Y'all want some treats? Stellar. Handsome. Lovey. Beautiful. Handsome. Beautiful. Stellar. Lovey. You guys want some treats? Some treats. Come on. Let's try to open this one-handed. These are the Friskies Party Mix. Gravy-licious crunch. Alright, let's try to do this. Okay, I'm going to pause this. Okay, I got some. Here, Lovey. Uh-oh. Stella wants some too. Stella, come here. Here you go, Stella. Have some. You like that? Hmm? Turn this light on. That's how much they like that. And we were getting like a different brand, but she tried this one, and they seem to enjoy it pretty much. I would think it would be she bought it because it was maybe cheaper than the other one, but I don't know. You like that, Lovey? Lovey? Is that good? Stellar. Oh, you already finished? You want a couple more? Want a couple more? Huh? Here. Here. Is that good? Is that good, Stellar? Do you chew that stuff or just swallow it whole? Stellar, you are a fat pig. Lovey. Is that enough, Lovey? Let's see if she wants two more. Two more for Lovey. 1, 2. Let's see. Come on, Lovey. There it is. Oh, she chewed that. Amazing. All right. Love you guys. Did you guys like the Friskies Party Mix? Gravy Luscious Crunch. Bye.